Hello, welcome back. Today's video is going to be pretty different than normal. Today, thanks to my friend Jane, I know you're watching. Hi. We're going to be making Yorkshire pudding. I've never had Yorkshire pudding. Jonathan has never had it. I've obviously never made it. So, this video is just going to be me, a girl from the Midwest, trying to make some Yorkshire pudding. And Jane sent me a recipe. And I'm going to follow it to the best of my ability. So, just come along with me. We'll see how this turns out. I do have a roast in the crock pot. She said you're supposed to eat it with roast. So, I have a roast in the crock pot. Yeah, let's go try to make some Yorkshire pudding. Alright, it says 150 grams of flour. So, let's see here. And this says it makes 12 muffin tin size. I don't know what I'm trying to say. It makes a muffin tin that has 12 muffins on it. It makes 12 Yorkshire puddings. So this is what I'm trying to say. Okay, now I'm going to add some salt and black pepper. Alright, it calls for 4 eggs. Alright, now it says to pour the egg mixture into the flour, stir it in, and it does say you should ideally make this like 3 hours to overnight before you want to cook them. So I have 3 hours. Okay, then this is the fun part because this stuff is in milliliters. It calls for 175 milliliters of milk and 25 milliliters of water. So I gotta figure that out. Hold on. Okay, I figured out the 175 because this has the measurement for it. I don't know how I'm gonna figure out the 25 milliliters. I'll figure it out. Alright, I gotta figure out the water situation. Please hold. Alright, for the water, 25 milliliters is just over a tablespoon and a half. So we're just guesstimating. Alright, and then all I have to do is put this in the fridge for 3 hours and then come back and actually cook it. Looks right. Right enough. Alright, it is almost 3 hours later. I have the oven preheating to 450 degrees. It said 230 Celsius. converted, that is 446 degrees, so I rounded up to 450. And now I have to put about a teaspoon of shortening, lard, whatever you want to call it, in each little tin here. So that's what I'm gonna spend the next 5 minutes doing. I also have been instructed by Jane to call it Yorkshire pudding. It sounds real weird in the American accent, but you know what? We're going with it. We're going with it. I practiced. Jane knows that I practiced saying it. All right. Now it says to preheat this for like 5 minutes. So that's what I'm gonna do. This feels dangerous. Okay. I'm gonna burn myself for sure. Okay, it says to fill them like 3/4 of the way full. Maybe you don't have enough batter. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. Okay. I'm gonna do 23 minutes, and it says do not open the oven door. So, good luck to these things. Oh my gosh. I really hope this is right, but oh, it looks right. Alright, it's gonna be a bit before we actually have dinner. So, I'm gonna just like let these cool down. Okay, we have never had these before. Also, Jane has instructed me to say Yorkshire pudding. The proper way to say it.
Mm-hmm.
Is it? I haven't tried it yet. Is it good?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Mm-hmm.
Would you ask for it again?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah? Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I mean, it just kind of tastes like a
Calvin just burped.
some kind of bun, and then obviously with gravy, so.
Yeah, okay. So you give it a thumbs up then?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, because Jane sent me the recipe. It's not her recipe, but...
Yeah. I'd have to almost like try it without any gravy on it, but to know what like...
Don't worry, we have 11 of them.
Yeah.
Apparently they freeze well though, so...
Yeah.
Okay.
So they come apart really easy.
Yeah. Yorkshire pudding! Alright, I'm gonna go eat my dinner. And yeah, I think it's a win, right?
Mm-hmm.
The next video you're gonna be in, you wanna know what it is? Copycat... What?
Ice in it.
Oh, was it in the back? Oh.
Mm-mm.
Copycat McDonald's breakfast burritos. That was his idea. We do make it really well. And so Jonathan's gonna be in it. Okay. Alright, bye!